Microsoft announced a proposed purchase of Activision Blizzard in a deal with an implied enterprise value of $69 billion. Activision Blizzard is one of the world's largest video game software companies, with nearly 400 million monthly active users and a number of billion-dollar franchises, including Call of Duty, Candy Crush, World of Warcraft, Diablo, and Overwatch. Activision Blizzard would be Microsoft's largest ever acquisition, more than doubling the value of the LinkedIn buy more than 5 years ago. And it's worth noting, Microsoft is still finalizing the $20 billion acquisition of Nuance Communications, which was announced a few quarters ago. Microsoft has been investing heavily to the tune of billions and billions of dollars in its gaming businesses and offerings. And experts we've spoken with have highlighted the importance of proprietary content and Microsoft's interest in acquiring it. Last year, Microsoft bought ZeniMax Media, known for games such as Doom and Elder Scrolls, for $8 billion. And over 7 years ago, Microsoft bought Mojang, which is responsible for Minecraft, for $2.5 billion. Adding Activision Blizzard would allow Microsoft to significantly bolster its Game Pass subscription offering. Also, it would better position Microsoft to capitalize on opportunities related to the metaverse, which have been projected at trillions and even tens of trillions of dollars. More proprietary games and more intellectual property would mean more monetization opportunities.